Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to manage background apps on Black Shark Tablet. To manage background apps, there are different things that you can do. The first one is sliding up and holding to open the recents. These are the apps that are currently open. They are currently functioning. You can easily switch to them by just opening them like that. And if you want, what you can do is to close them by sliding them up, the ones that you want to close. I'll close all of them. You can also, when you're like on the main app, the currently most open app, the one most in the front, you'll have the clear all button and it'll close just all apps. But that is not really background app, that's currently open app. But background apps are apps that are closed but are functioning. They are refreshing, they are looking for new notifications, new updates and stuff like that. And many apps you will actually need that from, like Gmail, let's say. Gmail needs to send you notifications, and if you need those notifications, it will just refresh in the background to see if there's some new data to tell you. But if there are some apps that you don't need notifications from, like games, you probably don't need notifications from games unless you do. But if you don't, then you can adjust how the apps run in background by going to apps, then going to a certain app that you would like to adjust. So let's say Call of Duty, I don't want it to run in the background. Then I can go to the app battery usage and disable allow background usage, which means that it will not refresh in the background. So the app only connects to internet, only checks things, only sends notifications, shows you things when it's open, and when it's closed it's just like it didn't exist. Or you can enable background usage and set it to optimize or unrestricted. Unrestricted will make the app use more power, and optimized will make it use less power but may delay some notifications. So if there are some apps that notifications are time sensitive to you from, then you may want to set it to unrestricted, but otherwise I would set it to optimize or disable it altogether. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.